All right, so welcome. We're going to be talking about the average rate of change as it applies in our pre-calculus class. So pre-calculus is algebra intensive. So if you remember this formula from your algebra class, the slope is the change in y sub 2 minus y sub 1, divided by the change in x, which is x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So when you're looking at something, I'll put this way over here. Suppose I have, two values here, say in A always comes before B, so this is AB, and then up here, well, this would give me an f of A, and this would give us an f of B. So really, we're just doing the slope here. This is my f of A minus my f of B, or also known as my change in y. This distance would be our change in x, or B minus A. So let's go ahead and use this formula. And I've put up a function here, x squared plus 5x plus 4, and A is going to be 1 and B is going to be 4. So let's go ahead and do this. This is our average rate of change. So f of b means you're going to substitute 4 in place of x here. So I would have, let's see, put a big bracket here, 4 squared plus 5 times 4 plus 4 minus my f of a. So a is 1, so that's going to be a 1 squared plus 5 times 1 plus 4. So that's our numerator. That's also known as our net change, right? That lesson comes just ahead of this lesson, but our net change. So we're going to go ahead here and start to simplify after I write in 4 minus 1 down here. So let's see, the hard part. 4 minus 1 is 3. So here I'd have 16 plus 20, so I'll step it all the way out. 16 plus 20 plus 4 minus 1, because 1 squared is 1, minus 5 times 1, which is 5, minus 4. So we have minus 4 there. So the numerator keeps on going. So let's see, 16 and 20, well, let's see. 16 and 4 is 20, 20 and 20 is 40, and 40 minus 1 minus 5 minus 4. So that's like 40 minus 10, which would give me 30 all over 3. And when we simplify that, 30 all over 3 gives us an average rate of change, okay, an average rate of change of 10. So that is just quite simply how we do this. It's just the same thing as this, but it's rewritten a little bit more complicated looking like this. So hopefully you got some value out of that. If you did, go ahead and share it with a classmate. And if you don't mind, hit the like button down below. So we'll see you on the next one.